tayo dun sa isang kanta, yung huli kong kinanta after ng happy birthday. Meron kasing minsan na
Ay, bumalik si
biglang
John.
kinakat.
John, baka may gusto kang i-request.
Okay po, basta if this is love po.
This
What is this?
is love.
Ano yun?
If this is love.
Okay, balik tayo sa mga request. May 30 minutes na lang kami guys ha. Pasensya na kayo. Sabi ng Kuya Birds, panghuli lagi yung ano eh.
Why?
Kaya
Kuya-
i-play na natin yung second song.
Kuya Borgs, mamaya ng konti yung sa'yo para masaya. Last.
Ano ba yon?
Yun sa Kuya Bording.
Okay. May request din si si Maring Malen.
Ito request ni...
Okay, may
Birthday
sway
girl.
nga pala kay birthday girl. Happy birthday again. Ang ganda ng aming kanta doon, happy birthday, biglang cut. Happy birthday, Mercy, again.
Hey, Male.
Hi, Malen, welcome back.
The better of me sometimes when you and I collide. I fall into an ocean of you. Pull me out in time, don't let me drown, let me down. I say it's all because of you. And here I go, losing my control. I'm practicing your name so I can say it to your face. It doesn't seem right to look you in the eye. That all the things you mean to me come tumbling out my mouth. Indeed, it's time to tell you why I say it's infinitely true. Say you will stay, don't come and go like you do. Sway my way, yeah, I need to know all about you.
Shout out Tita
And
Odette.
this room, you know it to be sure why everything's turned inside out, stealing so much doubt. It makes me so tired. I feel so uninspired. My head is battling with my heart. My logic has been torn apart, and now we both turn sour. Sweet every afternoon. Say you will stay, don't come and go like you do. Sway my way, yeah, I need to know all about you. Say you will stay, don't come and go like you do. Sway my way, yeah, I need to know all about you. It's all because of you. It's all because of you. Now it all turns out sweeter every afternoon. It's time to tell you why I say it's infinitely true. Say you will stay, don't come and go like you do. Sway my way, yeah, I need to know all about you. Say you will stay, don't come and go like you do. Sway my way, yeah, I need to know all about you. All because of you. Tagpuan. All because of you. It's all because of you.
And happy birthday, Mercy.
And paring hami.
And paring Hamin. And also sa
Mars,
Tita
tatry
Tina.
lang to ha. Alam mo naman.
Try natin itong tagpuan.
Moira
May
yan.
tagpuan ba kayo?
Wala nga. Yan.
O, painom ka naman daw, Mercy. Pero Di naman niya.
Nailibang ko rin. Sana
Nailibang niya si Moira.
naaral. Ararin ko nga yung...
Inaantok na nga ako kay Moira dito eh. Para puro Moira kanina, paubaya, tagpuan, no? Ano pa bang mga request? Nandiyan pa si Kuya Boards.
Si Kuya Birds yung ano...
Sige, pang
last,
pinali
ilan na
yun
ba
eh.
tayo? 33 noon.
Oo, hanggang 10 tayo maximum. 33 na. Oo, nandiyan pa sila. Hanggang 10 lang po kami ha. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. May mga request
Thank
po ba
you,
kayo?
Mars.
Well done daw. Salamat. Oh, Mercy, nandiyan na si Maring Malin. Nandiyan din si Ate Dalia. Oh, pwede na.
Ayan na nga, oh.
Nagbi-build up na. Oh.
Ano
Hi,
na?
Nimpa.
Hi, Nimps. Nimpa.
Oh, request style, moving on.
Moving on.
Moving on.
Ano?
Ano? Ano ba ang gusto nyo kanta?
May mga slow lang.
Slow? Ako nasasayaw na. Ikaw slow pa.
Oo nga eh.
Oh, paunahan request. Jamming sana.
Nasaan? Walang titapat.
O nga, jamming na sana. Pwede ka naman mag-jam. Bili ka ng aparato. Kanta ka. Akyat ka dito.
Jamming na sana nga eh.
Oo nga, konti lang yan. Bili ka lang ng konting pang podcast. Earphones, mic.
May earphone na yan.
Oo, may earphone na yan. Sikit.
Hi!
Sikit nga pala. Chat mo. Hi guys!
Dance Monkey.
Dance
Testing
Monkey.
natin. Tapos sunod na natin yung shy ni Kuya.
Alam mo yung Dance Monkey?
Konti. Testing nga lang.
What is shy?
Ay, shy ba? Ano yung sabi ni Kuya?
Hindi
Why?
mapipigilan.
Why?
Hindi mapipigilan.
Why nga?
Hindi mapipigilan ang why. Hindi mapipigilan, walang why.
Mars, testing lang to para masaya na. Tapos yun na, susunod na natin.
Sige. Gusto namin kayong samahan pero may mga
late na
junakis
kasi.
na nag-aantay.
Mga junakis eh, magagalit na. May magre-review pa. Why nga?
Oo nga, why nga daw.
Alam mo yan?
Sige. Disco na tayo hanggang dulo, ha? More 3 songs.
Take my card, I see the way you shine.
TikTok, ha?
Take your hand, my dear, place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead when I was passing by. Now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you, see you, see you every time. Oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. Now I beg to see you dance this one more time. Never seen anybody do the things you do before.
Amo?
Sabay ganun eh. All again. Stand by tayo this after all ha. Galing mo daw.
Wow.
First time
Thank
nga
you,
niya
Mark.
kinanta yun eh.
Ayoko lang kananta pero maganda
Oo,
pala siya.
maganda pala yan. Aaralin na lang.
Buti kinaya.
So hard, it punches my heart. Way up for what? Tell me what I got this feeling that time just holding me tight. I hate this feeling, but as I do this time, you got good news, good news. Got this on my shoes, news, no news. Wound up on my knees, Jack, got back, got my people on my back. News, no news. Everybody got news. Stand by sa after all, ha?
After, tsaka yung kay Kuya, yun na lang.
It's just a fantasy. Oh,
Thank you very much. I-play na
This
natin
is a
ang After
request song ni
All.
ano.
Nagantay talaga si Marpa.
Last 3 na. Last 3 na.
Okay, last 3 songs na tayo.
Pasensya na po ah. Kay Kuya, ano na
Pasensya
yung
na kayo.
last song? Kay
Play
Sorry, Mars. sa
Kuya
iyo.
Borgs, this is our last song. Thank you very much guys for support our page.